Got a pretty exciting video for you today. I am going to be building my first ever gaming PC. I wanted to preface this video by saying I know nothing about building a PC. I've never done it. Hardware is pretty foreign to me. Luckily I had a bunch of friends that had already done this. I got a lot of help from and did some research online, watched a ton of videos, and then ordered everything on Amazon. Half of the stuff has already come in with same-day shipping a couple days ago, which is awesome. Love Amazon. And some of it has just come in with 2-day shipping today. So I'm going to run downstairs, pick that up, and me and Penny here are going to see if we can build a PC. So let's do this. For everyone that is technically savvy and wants to know every piece of my build, I'll quickly run through everything that I bought. So let's start out with the power supply. This is the EVGA 500 bronze power supply. This is the crucial 525 gig solid state drive. The motherboard I went with was the Asus B150M. My processor is a Intel i5-6500 quad core graphics card. The GeForce GTX 1070, one of the most expensive parts of the build. The RAM that I went with was a Vengeance LPX 2x8 sticks, so 16 gigs total of RAM. For the CPU cooler, I went with the Cooler Master Hyper 212 EVO. I also bought a Bluetooth adapter. This is just an Ethernet cable. This is the Razer Black Widow Chroma keyboard. It's pretty cool. One of the things I'm most excited about for this build. And then lastly, the big boy. For the case, I went with the Eclipse P400 by Fantiques. Links for all this will be down in the description of the video in case you're interested in creating a similar build. Alright guys, fast forwarding a little bit. I think I've done all the steps to building a functional PC. I realized it was a lot harder to learn how to build a PC and videotape it at the same time, so I kind of went off the camera for a little bit and just pieced it together myself. So I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of everything I did, and then we'll try and plug her in and see if she works. So here we go. Alrighty, so let me give you a tour of everything that I've done off the camera. I think I left off, I was installing these sticks of RAM. So there's my 2 sticks of RAM. As you can tell, I installed the whole motherboard into the case itself. And also, underneath the motherboard, you can see this is my GTX 1070 video card. So my graphics card. If I flip this around here, you can see these are the actual inputs that it provides you in the back of the case. The motherboard has these inputs up top as well as the case itself came with this fan. So that is nice. Let me do a complete 180 of the case here. Over here in the back is the solid state drive that I just screwed on in there. You can see it's a bunch of other cabling done. It's a little messy right now. This is the power source that we installed at the very beginning. And that's all these colorful cords are from the power source connected. You can see a lot of them go to the motherboard. And I think there's some down here as well. So yeah, I guess one last thing that I did for style points was, as you can see, these strips right here are LED lights. I also have one going above the top, so when the case starts up, we'll see if those babies light up. So let's put the 2 sides to the case back on, plug her in, and see if she works. So wish me luck. so here's the moment we've all been waiting for. She's all plugged up, ready to go. Just gotta go flip the switch here in the back and hit the on button, and we will see what happens. Alright. The switch has been flipped in the back. Alright, here's the moment of truth, guys. Please work. Oh, there's lights. That's a really good sign. So at least we're getting power. Wow, those RGBs look amazing. So my one strip down low is working, as well as, can you see that? Yep, the top strip is working as well. Wow, it's so cool how you can like see the fans running there. I have 2 fans here, as well as 1 down there. I don't know if you can tell, but the graphics card is also RGB and changes colors as well as the front of my case. Wow. All right, let me show you guys. Oh, yep, check this out. Here is the Razer Black Widow Chroma keyboard that I was mentioning I'm really excited about, as well as I have the Razer matching mouse as well. So these two go Chroma hand in hand. So yes, I'm very flashy. All right, I'm gonna try and install Windows and all this stuff, all the boring stuff, and I will kind of give you guys a conclusion here in a sec. Alrighty guys, Windows has been installed, as well as some of the very necessary applications like Overwatch and Rocket League. So that concludes my PC build, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Like I said, this is my very first PC build ever, so it was definitely a good learning experience and a lot of fun. Like I said earlier in the video, I will post all the links to the products and pieces that make up my build in this description below. Feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.